Hi guys. Okay, today we are going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. One Boxycharm to unbox. I have two Boxycharms to unbox. Oh, but it doesn't stop there. I have three Boxycharms to unbox. Now, you may think, Jasmine, overkill. Yeah, it is. I only paid for two. Every month I get two Boxycharms. I get two Boxycharms every month because some months I am subscribed to BoxyLux. So some months, 4 months out of the year, I don't get a Boxycharm. I only get a BoxyLux. And those months, I still want a Boxycharm, regular box, to compare on this channel. So I do get it. And just all year round, I get two boxes because that's how it goes. And now you don't always see both boxes in my videos because sometimes they don't come at the exact same time. One will come a week and a half, 2 weeks earlier than the other one. And I only include them together when they come together. Well, today they came together. I was like, okay, my Boxycharm came today. Went down to my mailbox and got it, opened the little thing. There's 3 Boxycharms in there. I'm like, what the heck? And I look at them all, they're all addressed to me. I only paid for 2. So Boxycharm messed up some way, somehow, and ended up giving me 3 Boxycharms? I'm not sure. But I don't know for a fact I only paid for 2. However, we're going to unbox all 3. I did cut them open just because we do have so many. If you're unfamiliar, Boxycharm is a $21 a month subscription. You get 4 to 5 full-size products. I've never gotten 4 products. I've always gotten 5 to 6. But some months are better than others. This is one of my favorite subscriptions, but like I just said, some months are better than others. Let's just jump right into it. Comes in this kind of box this month. And you open it up, it says Hello Charmers, and it looks like this. We'll pull up a little card, and it says All Natural, so I'm assuming that's the theme for this month. And this is variation 2. And then in here we have another little card. This tells us all the full-size product value, but this says Visit an Ulta Beauty near you for a custom Elemis flash facial. Okay, so I guess this is a coupon for a $10 facial at Ulta. Not bad, not bad. So after I pull out the cards, this is what it looks like, and I just dropped it. So let's just pull up the first thing I see. This is in cardboard, which is really weird. It's the Luxy Gaia? I don't know. Unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. Oh, it's a brushes. It says the brushes include Luxy 250 large eye blending brush, a Luxy 246 precision crease brush, and a Luxy 510 foundation brushes. We've gotten quite a few Luxy brushes in Boxycharm, but never have they come in a cardboard thing. Oh, okay, so these are what the handles look like. This is different for Luxy. These aren't like a normal Luxy brush handle. Let me grab a normal one. This is a normal Luxy brush handle, and then these are the handles of this month's brushes. Like, look at those. That is, like, it's like wood. Like a wood marble almost, but I'm assuming this is the 510 foundation brush. You know, I don't use these brushes for foundation ever. I use these for like eyeshadow primer. I know it's huge, but that's what I do. I don't like these for foundation, but they're nice to have. And then we got the Luxy 250 large eye blending brush. I love Luxy brushes. They are so nice. I've never had any issues with them breaking or anything, but that is a nice fluffy brush for the crease. And then we have a 246 precision crease brush. I love these for packing on shadow. So that's nice. Let's see how much that retails for. Luxy Gaia 3-piece brush set retails for $30 for 3 brushes. So the brushes like $10 each. That is crazy. Ay. Okay, let's pull the next thing. This is by Elemis. It's the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, Advanced Skincare. It's the Nourishing Prebiotic Green Mask. Looks like this. I've tried a few Elemis products. I'm currently using the Elemis Superfood Night Cream. Love it. I've tried the Elemis Pro Collagen Night Cream. That one's really good, and I think that's it. But I'm excited to try this. Let's see if it does have a safety seal, which is always good. Let's see. Is this a wash-off mask? It says apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. A slight tingling may occur. Okay. While the mask works its magic. Remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. Yeah, so it's a wash-off mask, but it also says may stain fabrics. Okay then. That's why they say a damp, dark cloth. have to film myself using this because if it, I just cut myself with it. If it tingles, that is interesting, but I'm excited. I love face masks, so I'm excited to use that. Let's see what that retails for. Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask retails for $35. Not bad for Elemis. Elemis is a super expensive brand, so that's not bad for it. Let's pull out the next thing, which is, I love this packaging. That is so cute. It's by Butter London. It doesn't say anything else but Butter London on it, but that packaging is adorable. Let's open it. Okay, it's an eyeshadow palette. It's a Natural Goddess palette. Looks like this, and it's got a mirror right here. Those are the shades. We will do some swatches. We have 4 shimmers and 2 mattes. Okay, so those are the swatches. The shimmers swatched beautifully. The 2 mattes down here were a little chalky, and I had to swatch them like 3 times to build them up. But, you know, swatches are swatches. You never know how it's going to work on the eyes until you put it on the eyes with the brush. But we have Enchantress, which is that shade. We have Queen, which is that shade. And then we have Star, which is this really pretty like green shimmer shade. Then we have Diva, Temptress, and, oh gosh, Femme Fatal? I have no idea how to pronounce that. Very pretty eyeshadow palette. Very like natural with one little pop of color. Nah, like I want something fun from Boxycharm. We get so many natural eyeshadow palettes. This is really, really pretty, don't get me wrong, but there's no crease shade, like no light brown for my crease, and 4 shimmers and 2 mattes, and one of them's a dark chocolate and one of them's a blue. So I won't be able to get a full look out of this palette, but that's okay. I'm excited to use it. I've never tried anything from Butter London, if I'm not mistaken. Very excited to try that though. And let's see how much that retails for. Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette retails for $32. Okay, let's pull up the next thing we have, which is by Appeal. This is a gel liner in Deep Taupe. Looks like this. I'm not going to open it because it looks like a deep browny plum shade, and it's just not something I need. This will go in a future giveaway for one of you guys. It's the Appeal Gel Eyeliner, retails for $21. Appeal is an expensive brand as well. I've only tried a few things from that brand, but I think I've tried like a gloss from them. They're in Boxycharm quite a bit though. And we always get eyeliners in Boxycharm, nothing amazes me. Oh, okay, this next one is by Alamar Cosmetics, and we get quite a bit from Alamar Cosmetics in Boxycharm, and I'm pretty excited about this. It looks like this. It's a really pretty gold shade. This is the Mother of Pearl Gloss in Tesoro. I love the blue sparkly packaging though. Alamar Cosmetics, I've tried their eyeshadows, their brushes, I've tried their blushes. We've gotten quite a bit from Alamar Cosmetics in Boxycharm, and they are a really, really nice brand, and I've loved everything I've tried. But this is a gloss. It looks like that. Very, very pretty and very pigmented. That is gorgeous. Ooh, oh my gosh. This smells like candy, but I can't. It smells like fruit, but like fruit candy, if that makes any sense at all. Oh my gosh, that smells absolutely amazing. I am so excited about that, and I love the packaging. Let's see how much that retails for. Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearl Gloss, $10. Not bad at all. That is one of the boxes. Let's just jump right into the next one. You open it up, and you have the same 2 things in here, which is the card and the Elemis $10 coupon. This is variation 4. What the variations are is every month there are 3 staple products, and then there are 2 variation products, meaning you could get different items, which we will see by what's in here. But I know this month the 3 staple products are the Butter London eyeshadow, the Elemis mask, and the Luxie brushes. So that will be in all 3 boxes. I will just set them aside for a giveaway because I don't need 3 of them. So like I said, we have the Elemis Superfood Veggie Mask, we have the Luxie brushes, which those will go in a giveaway. The next thing we have, which is not a repeat, is this Kojin Dough Cleansing Spa Water. These are makeup wipes. And you get, how many do you get in here? 10 plus, which I've never tried anything from Kojin Dough. I'm very excited about this. I use makeup wipes to remove my makeup. I've been trying to get better about not using them, but I still I still do, so I'm excited about those. Let's see how much those retail for, though. Cushion Dough Spot Cleaning Water Cloths, $17 for 10 cloths. That's a little pricey, but I'm excited to try them. And then we have the same Butter London eyeshadow palette, which packaging is so cute, but that will go in a future giveaway. And then we have the Luna by Luna Venus. Lip gloss. So it's a lip gloss from Luna by Luna. I think I have this. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure I have this. I'm pretty sure I got it in Boxycharm, honestly. Let me see if I have this open because I'm almost 100% sure I have one. And I do. I knew I did. I'm almost 100% sure I got this in a Boxycharm, if not in Ipsy. I got it in some subscription box, but let's swatch it. It's very light, not very shimmery, and it's just a light gloss. Not my favorite. I've worn it like once. Looks like that. It's a decent shade. It kind of reminds me of the LMR one, just not as glossy. Doesn't have a smell. It's nice. Not anything to rave home about, but that will go in a giveaway for one of you guys. And that retailed for $18, which I would not pay $18 for that gloss. Let's open the next box, which I don't understand why I have 3 still, but we're gonna open it. Again, we have both cards. This is variation 4. Didn't we unbox variation 4 already? We did. So I have 2 variation 4s. What I'm thinking, because this looks like it's the same box, and what I'm thinking is maybe Boxycharm accidentally sent me the same box twice. Not sure, but again, we have the Luxie brushes, the Elemis mask, Cushion Dough wipes, the same Luna, oh no, not the same Luna gloss. This is the Luna gloss in Mars. And the one we had before is in Venus. Okay. So we got a different, ooh, I love this shade better. Look at that. This is a pretty shade. I like this one a lot better. Look at that. That is a pretty shade compared to the copper shade. This is like a light pink shade. Again, no smell, but it's I love that shade a lot better than the Venus shade. But again, we just have the Cushion Dough, the Luxie, the Elemis, and the Butter London. So it wasn't the exact same box, but relatively the same box. What do you guys think? I don't know why I have 3 boxes. Like I said, they were all addressed to me. I opened them and we unboxed them. What do you think? What do you think happened? Why do you think I got 3 boxes? Let me know down below. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm, I'll have a link at the top of the description box. Like I said, it's $21 a month, a pretty great box. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, let me know down below. I love to hear your feedback on all my videos. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!